Secrets to making passive income that you never knew existed. Who wouldn't like to earn money while lounging on a beach or enjoying a peaceful night's sleep? Impossible, you say? Not in the slightest. Today, we're going to explore 10 intriguing secrets about passive income that most people aren't even aware of. If you're ready to challenge the status quo, redefine your income, and create financial independence, then this is a journey you won't want to miss. Get ready to turn the tables on your financial future right here, right now. Secret 1. Real estate crowdfunding. The first secret to making passive income that you may not be aware of is real estate crowdfunding. Crowdfunding has transformed the way we invest in the property market, bringing together numerous investors to pool their funds and collectively invest in high-value properties. Previously, this level of investment was accessible only to those with deep pockets. But today, thanks to platforms like Fundrise, Realty Mogul, and Peer Street, you can start investing with as little as a few $100s. The way it works is that these platforms pool the investments of thousands of people to invest in a portfolio of properties. As an investor, you receive a share of the rental income and capital gains, proportional to your investment. Moreover, these platforms manage the properties, allowing you to earn passive income without having to worry about the day-to-day complexities of owning real estate. This makes real estate crowdfunding a viable option for those looking to diversify their investment portfolios and earn passive income with relatively low effort. Secret 2. P2P lending. Another lesser-known secret to earning passive income is peer-to-peer or P2P lending. This financial model involves an online platform that matches borrowers with lenders, cutting out the traditional financial institutions as middlemen. As a lender on a P2P platform, you can earn a steady stream of income through interest payments on the loans you fund. This can be a great source of passive income, as platforms like Lending Club and Prosper make it easy to invest in multiple loans with small amounts. However, keep in mind that while P2P lending can be lucrative, it also carries risk. The potential for higher returns often comes with higher risk, including the risk of borrower default, so it's important to diversify your investment across multiple loans to mitigate risk. This way, if one borrower fails to repay their loan, it won't significantly impact your overall return. Secret 3. High-yield savings accounts and money market fund. The third secret to making passive income is leveraging high-yield savings accounts and money market fund. While these might not sound as exciting or potentially lucrative as real estate crowdfunding or P2P lending, they provide a risk-free option for earning passive income. A high-yield savings account, offered by many online banks, earns much higher interest than a standard savings account. Similarly, money market funds are a type of mutual fund that invests in highly liquid short-term securities. These funds aim to maintain a stable value and pay dividends to investors. While the returns aren't as high as some other passive income sources, they offer safety and stability. Your principal is typically safe, and you're not likely to lose your investment. These options are excellent for those who prioritize preserving capital over high returns. Secret 4. Stock market and dividend investing. The fourth secret is stock market and dividend investing. The stock market offers a number of ways to earn passive income, and one of the most straightforward is through dividend. When you own shares in a company, you have a claim on a part of that company's earnings. Some companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders in the form of dividends. Companies that pay regular dividends are often mature and financially stable, with reliable cash flow. These dividends can provide a steady income stream, especially if you invest in companies with a history of consistent dividend payments. Furthermore, thanks to technology and platforms like Robinhood, eToro, and Charles Schwab, investing in dividend-yielding stocks is now easier than ever. Secret 5. REITs. The fifth secret to making passive income is investing in real estate investment trusts, or REITs. REITs are companies that own, operate, or finance income-producing real estate. They allow anyone to invest in portfolios of real estate assets the same way they invest in other industries, through purchasing stock. In the same manner as a company pays dividends to its stockholders, an REIT distributes a portion of the income produced through its real estate investments back to its shareholders. REITs often specialize in specific types of real estate investments, such as commercial, residential, retail, or healthcare facilities. The beauty of REITs lies in the fact that they're required by law to distribute at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders as dividends. This means that by investing in REITs, you get to earn a share of the income generated from real estate without having to buy, manage, or finance any properties yourself. Platforms like Vanguard and Fidelity provide easy access to a wide variety of REITs. Secret 6. Creating an online course. The sixth secret is creating an online course. With the rise of e-learning platforms such as Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare, anyone with valuable knowledge or skills can create and sell online courses. Whether you're an expert in digital marketing, graphic design, coding, or even gardening, you can share your knowledge and generate income. Developing a course requires an initial time investment, but once the course is created and published, it can provide a significant source of passive income. Remember, your course could be sold to thousands of students all over the world, and with each sale, you earn a percentage of the revenue. You can also update your course over time to keep it current and relevant, which can help attract new students and generate ongoing income. Secret 7. Affiliate marketing. The 7th secret is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services of other companies and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. You can promote these products or services on your blog, website, social media channels, or email newsletters. One of the main advantages of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create your own product or service. You can choose from a variety of affiliate programs that fit your audience and niche. Companies like Amazon, ClickBank, and CJ Affiliate offer extensive product selections across numerous industries. Remember, consistency and understanding your audience's needs are key in affiliate marketing. Secret 8. Renting out property on Airbnb. The 8th secret is renting out property on Airbnb. If you have a spare room or a second house, you can make passive income by renting it out. Airbnb has revolutionized the hospitality industry by providing a platform where homeowners can rent out their spaces to travelers. Your earnings can vary depending on the location, size, and amenities of your property. However, keep in mind that being an Airbnb host requires some effort, such as maintaining the cleanliness of the space, communicating with guests, and managing booking. To make it more passive, you could consider hiring a property management company that specializes in Airbnb rentals. Secret 9. Dropshipping. The next secret is dropshipping. Dropshipping is an online retail model where the retailer doesn't keep goods in stock. Instead, when a customer places an order, the retailer purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. As a result, the retailer never handles the product directly. Starting a dropshipping business requires some upfront work, such as setting up a website, finding suppliers, and choosing products to sell. However, once the initial setup is done, it can be a highly profitable source of passive income. Companies like Shopify and Oberlo simplify the process, making it easier than ever to start a dropshipping business. Secret 10. Writing an ebook. The final secret to making passive income is writing and selling an ebook. With the digital revolution and the growth of online platforms like Amazon Kindle, anyone with unique insights or storytelling abilities can publish an ebook. Whether you're a pro in healthy cooking, yoga, personal finance, or fictional writing, there's a potential audience for your book. Writing an ebook requires an upfront time investment. You have to put your thoughts, knowledge, or stories into words, then format and proofread the book. However, once your ebook is written, published, and marketed well, it could provide a steady stream of passive income. Every time someone purchases your ebook, you earn a royalty. Remember, each passive income source requires a different level of investment, risk, and potential return. It's essential to diversify your income streams and not rely solely on one source. With these 10 secrets in your toolkit, you are well on your way to building a diversified portfolio of passive income streams. Happy earning!